Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to SHIBA update for 16th of October. And I'm looking at SHIB on the weekly time frame. It seems like we're looking quite ugly right now for SHIB on a weekly, to be honest with you. So today's Sunday, tomorrow's gonna be Monday. So what I'm expecting out of SHIB, is this bear flag right over there on the weekly time frame, and a technical target which is pending now. So from there to there, we're looking for SHIB to actually come to 876. Which is a clear technical target, and I do think it's gonna do 876 because you have another flag, and this flag actually takes you exactly to 876. So yeah, from there to there, we're looking for SHIB down. It popped out of here. You can see it actually takes you to the very same target as well. Now the thing is that by tomorrow though, you could have in the smaller time frame a little bit of a pump up to 1081 or 1100, and then from there get rejected and then go to the downside. Just a back test of the bear flag, nothing else. Now that could be a scalping opportunity if things go well as planned, then you could see that being a scalping opportunity. So that flag actually looks something like that one right over there. Okay, so I'm expecting that one small pump up to retest that zone at 1129 and then go to the downside. Okay, because you've just moved down like this, move sideways, break down, go back for the retest, and that's pretty much how I'm looking at things turning around. So if I do take the flag pole right over there from the top to bottom, then this is where you're breaking it out of, and yep, it's going to take you to nearly 839, 840 level. So let's see. I just want to confirm even more on a 1 hour time frame if there's any reversal pattern at the moment that can actually take you up there. Now for some reason it seems like this is a V-shaped kind of recovery, where you quickly dump to the downside and went up very quickly, and now you're moving sideways right over there. I don't see any particular. This was about to be a left shoulder to the head and the right shoulder. Now if that's something that is there, if this is an inverse head and shoulder, then this is probably the resistance that you're looking for, because you try to break it out here and you failed the retest and you went down, and now you might try to actually cross it again. Now if you do come below 998, which is the right shoulder, then probably you're gonna move even lower. So if you lose 998, that's not a good idea. And if I take the top here to the bottom right there and place it right over there, yeah, so if it does break it out, then you're looking for SHIB to actually come to 1154, and that's where you're going to backtest that bear flag, get rejected here, and then drop to the downside. And that's pretty much it for this SHIB update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.